This video uses a repeat loop to get a drone to fly in a square flight path. We've got our tick for the green flag. The next thing we do is add the takeoff. Next one, we're going to controls and using a repeat loop. Now we want to repeat that 4 times to draw out the square. We go down to now our commands for the drone and look at fly forward 50 centimeters. We then need to turn 90 degrees clockwise. When we do that 4 times, it will draw out the square flight path. And then finally, we want it to land. So let's have a look what it does. You can see it fly up, it'll move forward, then it turns 90 degrees, moves forward again, turns 90 degrees, moves forward again, turns 90 degrees, moves forward again, turns 90 degrees, and basically lands where about it started.